Hello students. So today we are going to learn about mathematics, a new mathematics, that is multiplication. In mathematics we are going to learn multiplication. Okay. So for multiplication, what you should know? You should know the tables. Okay. For doing multiplication sums, you should know the tables. Okay, so today we are going to learn about addition facts, multiplication facts, okay, and how to solve the how to multiply 2-digit number by 1 digit. Okay, we are going to do that. What is multiplication? What is multiplication? Multiplication is a process of repeating the addition. Okay, it is the repetition of addition again and again, repeating the same number, adding the same number again and again, and the answer which we get, that is called the product. Okay, the answer which we get, that is called the product. The two numbers that are multiplied are called the factors, I am repeating the definition. What is multiplication? Multiplication is the process of repeatedly adding the number. The answer is called the product. What? The answer is called the product, and the two numbers that we multiplied are called factors. Okay, the two numbers that we multiplied are called factors. For example, if you will see 20 multiplied by 3, 20 multiplied by 3, that is equal to 60. Okay, 20 and 3 are factors and 60 is product. Okay, 20 and 3 are factors, and the answer that we got after multiplying these two numbers is product. Is it clear? So multiplication is repeatedly adding the numbers. The number of, if there is 3, 20 multiplied by 3, this is a multiplication fact. Now how you will convert this multiplication fact into addition fact? What we will do? We will write 20 plus 20 plus 20. Okay, that is 20 plus 20 plus 20, that is equal to 60. 20 plus 20 is 40, and 40 plus 20 is 60. So 20 and 3 is the factor and 60 is your product. Now we are going to learn about addition facts and the multiplication facts first, and then we are going to solve the sums on multiplication, that is multiplying 2-digit number by 1 digit. Okay, now we are going to do some addition facts. So over here the first question is 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. Okay, how many times 8s are there? How many times 8s are there? There are 4 times 8s. So how you will write this addition facts in multiplication fact? How you will write that? This addition facts into multiplication facts. 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So there are total 4 times 8s are written. So how we will write this addition facts into multiplication facts? We will write it as 8 multiplied by 4. Okay, we will write it as 8 multiplied by 4. Next one, 4 plus 4 plus 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4. So how many times 4 are there? 4 plus 4 plus 4. So how many times 4 are there? How many times I am telling? 4, 4, 4. So first we will write the number itself, whatever the number is, how many the number it is repeating, the number itself we will write, and then we will write how many times the number is repeating. Okay, how many times the number is repeating, that is 4 multiplied by 3. This is the multiplication fact. Okay, that is 4 multiplied by 3. Next is next is 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 6. So how many times 6 is repeating? That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how many times it is repeating? It is repeating 5 times. So the answer will be 6 multiplied by 5. Okay, the answer will be 6 multiplied by 5. Next one, next one, 2 plus 2. How many times 2 is there? There are, how many times 2 is there? 2 times. So what we will write? 2 multiplied by 2. Okay, that is 2 multiplied by 2. So 2 plus 2 is 4 and 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. Okay, so now fifth one, 7 plus 7 plus 7, 7 plus 7 plus 7. So how many times 7 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many times 7 is there? 6 times. So what will be the multiplication fact? That is 7 multiplied by 6. So I am going to explain once again addition facts. In addition fact, this is the addition fact, that is the number, how many times the number is repeating. So in the first, 8 plus 8 plus 8 plus 8. So 8 is, how many times it is repeating? It is repeating 4 times. So the multiplication fact will be 8 multiplied by 4. Okay, the multiplication fact will be 8 multiplied by 4. In second one, 4 plus 4 plus 4. So how many times 4 is repeating? I told you multiplication is something repeatedly adding the number. So addition fact, this is called addition facts also. So what is happening? Repeatedly adding the number. Repeatedly 4 plus 4 plus 4. That is, first for multiplication fact, what we will write? We will write the number first and then we will write the number of times the number occurs. पहले जो नंबर है वो लिखेंगे, उसके बाद कितनी बार नंबर रिपीट हुआ है वी विल राइट दैट. ओके, दैट इज 4 multiplied by 3. In third one, It is 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6. So 6 is repeating how many times? It is repeating 5 times. So the multiplication fact is 6 multiplied by 5. Okay? In fourth one, what we are going to do? 2 plus 2. What? 2 plus 2. So 2 is repeating how many times? It is repeating 2 times. So 2 multiplied by 2 we will write. Okay? Next, fifth one. 7, 7, 7, 7 and 7. So 7 is how many times? It is 6 times. So for multiplication facts, what we will do? We will write 7 multiplied by 6. Okay? Now next one we will see. Now this is some multiplication facts, and this multiplication fact we are going to convert it into what? We are going to convert it into addition facts. Okay? These multiplication facts we are going to convert it into addition facts. The first question is 3 multiplied by 4. 3 multiplied by 4. In multiplication facts, it is 3 multiplied by 4. So how you will write it in addition facts? Three multiplied by 4, that is 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3 plus 3, 3. That means we will write this 3 how many times? We are going to write this 3 how many times? That is 4 times. Okay? We are going to write this 3 how many times? That is 4 times. Why? Because the number is repeating. So we are going to write it as what? 4 times, that is 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3. 4 times we are going to write 3 over here. Next one. 5 multiplied by 3. So how we are going to write it in addition fact? 5, how many times it is repeating? That is 3 times. Right? 5 is 3 times. So what we are going to do? We are going to write 5 plus 5, 5 plus 5. If you will add this 3, 5 3s are 15, and if you will add this 5, 5 plus 5 is 10, 10 plus 5 is 15. In both the cases we are getting the, if we multiplied 5 multiplied by 3, then also we will get 15, and if we will write 5 plus 5 plus 5, in that case also we get 15. In both the cases the answers are same. Okay? Next addition fact. 7 multiplied by 2. What? 7 multiplied by 2. So what we will write? 7 plus 7. So if we multiply 7 2s are, it's 14, and if we add 7 plus 7, what we will get? 7 plus 7, what we will get? If we add 7 plus 7, what we will get? We will get again 14 itself. Okay? 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Okay? Next one. 1 multiplied by 2. 1 multiplied by 2. That means 2 times 1. 1 plus 1. 2 ones are, or 1 twos are 2, and 1 plus 1, it is 2. Is it clear? Addition facts. These are addition facts. How to convert addition facts into multiplication facts? For converting addition facts into multiplication fact, what we will do? We will write the number first in the question, whatever the number is there. Multiply sign we will give, and we will write the number of time the number has repeated. कितनी बार वो number repeat हुआ है. ठीक है? We'll write that. For multiplication fact, it is just the opposite. It is already given, and what we will do, we will write the first number and we will write the number of time we will put plus 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 the number of time it is written, multiplied into 4 if it is there. So we will write 3 4 times. Okay, now this is about multiplication facts and addition facts. Okay, how to turn addition facts to multiplication facts and how to do multiplication facts to addition facts. Now we are going to see one more example. See, Rakesh has scored 53 plus 53 plus 53 runs. Okay, what? Rakesh has scored how many runs? That is 53 plus 53 plus 53 runs. Okay, let us first do the addition. It is written 53 plus 53, so we will do the addition first. Let us do the addition first. Okay, 50 we are going to add 53 so how you will add this 53 plus 53 plus 53 plus 53 plus 53. Okay, so 3 times 53 is there, 3 times 53 is there, right? So what we are going to do, we will do this multiplication and we will see whether we will get the same answer or not. Okay, 3 times 53, so 5 3s are 3 3s are. Multiplication fact is what? It is 5 multiplied by 53 multiplied by 3. So 3 3s are, it will be 9. Okay, 3 3s are 9, and what we will do, we will multiply this 5 with 3. So 5 3s are, it will be 15. What? 15. So what will be the answer? We will get the answer 159. What is the answer? It is 159. Okay, so 159 is my answer. If we will add this 3 plus 3 plus 3 9, 5 plus 5 plus 5 is 15. If we will add this, the same answer we will get over here also, that is 159. Okay, whatever will the same answer we will get. If we will add also by doing addition fact also we will get the same answer, and by doing the multiplication fact, that is 53 multiplied by 3, that in that case also we will get the same answer. So in this case 159 159 is what? It's the product. What it is? It is a product 159, and 53 and 3 are factors. Okay, 53 and 3 are factors and 159 is the product. I told you the answer which we'll get, that is, this is our answer, and the answer which we have got, that is our product, and these two 53 and 3 are the factors. Okay, now we are going to solve some example sums over here, that is how to multiply 2-digit number by 1 digit. Okay, can you see the questions over here? We have 4 sums over here. So we are going to solve that sums. The first question is 64 multiplied by 6. What it is? The first question is 64 multiplied by 6. So 4 6 it is 24. 4 over here. Now we have to carry 2 over here. Okay, we are going to carry this 2. So now 6 6 it is 36. 36 plus 2, 36 plus 2 it is 36, 37, 38. 38. Okay, so our answer is 384. What we have done, I have first multiplied, seen 4 6 that is 24. 4 I have written down and 2 at the in hundreds place, not in hundreds place, it should be at the top of the 6. That is, it is multiplied by what? It should be multiplied by, we will add this 2. Okay, so if I write 2 over here in the short, that is we are going to add this. Okay, that is 2. So 6 6 are 36. 36 plus 2 it is 38. So what will be the answer? 384. Okay, now next one. 9 6 9 6 what is 9 multiplied by 6? 9 multiplied by 6, it is 54. So 4 over here, and over here what we are going to write? We are going to write 5. We are going to carry 5 over here. Okay, what we are going to do? We are going to carry 5 over here. 5. Okay, now 7 6 7 6 7 it is 7 6 42. Okay, 7 6 42, and if we add 42 plus 5, how much we will get? If we add 42 plus 5, how much we will get? We will get 47. So what will be the answer? It is 4, and over here we will get 7. So our answer is 474. What will be the answer? 474. Okay, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46 and 47. We have to add 5 number. Whichever number we carry over, in that number we will add. That is 474. Next one. Now 6 4s again. 6 4s, we have 4 6 What will be the answer? It is 24. 4, and what we are going to carry it over here? 4 we have written down. So at the top what we will write? Carry 1. It is 2. Again 4 6 24. 24 plus 2, 24, 25, 26. So what will be the answer? The answer will be 264. What will be the answer? The answer will be 264 is our product, and 44 and 6 are the factor. 264 is the product and 44 and 6 is the are the factors over here. Okay, so 6 4s are 24, we carry 2 at the top, 24 plus 2 it is 26. Now next sum. Nine fives are 45. So what we will do, we will write 5 over here, and how much we are going to carry at the top? We are going to carry 4. Okay, now 3 fives are 45, 5 and 4 at the top, 3 fives are 15, 15 plus 4. What will be our answer? 15 plus 4. 15 plus 4. 15, 16, 17, 18 and 19. So our product is 195. So the answer is 195 is the answer. Okay, so this is how we solve the multiplication sum, that is multiplying 2 digit by 1 digit. Okay, that is multiplying 2 digit by 1 digit. First for this we should know the table. So today what we have learned? We have learned about, first we have learned about what? Addition facts, multiplication facts, and how to multiply 2 digit by 1 digit. Okay, how to multiply 2 digit by 1 digit, we have learned this.